Hi friends, and welcome to a new Heffy Doodle video. Today we are making a sweet Dear to Me baby card. Today we are playing with the Dear to Me stamp set, as well as the new arrival sentiment stamps, the stitched rounded rectangles, the bunny birch trees, and the freshly cut grass dies. And just look at the adorable deer in this stamp set. They are so sweet, and there are many images to complete your scene. Now let me show you how I color one of these deer. I'm only showing you one because I always take ages to color, and I will be listing the Copic color numbers in the description below. As a finishing touch, I always add these white gel pen highlights. And that finishes the coloring for this card. Let's put the card together. I start with a standard sized white card base and die cut everything first to see how my card comes together. After establishing that everything fits together the way I want it, we're getting to the ink blending. You can see how I used the different dies together to create a scene with rounded edges. For the sky, I will be using tumbled glass Distress Oxide ink. I first remove some lint from my foam pad using a piece of masking tape. Now for the cross, I chose this non-traditional color combination of picked raspberry, kitsch flamingo and spun sugar distress oxide inks. After finishing the ink blending, I'm splattering my panel with some water. I'm letting the water sit for a while before taking the excess with a paper towel. I'm also splattering my panel with some gold and white ink, but I'm doing that off screen inside a box because we have a new table. Next, I'm stamping the large congratulations sentiment from the new arrival sentiment stamps with some sticky ink. This is Versamark. I'm embossing my sentiment on craft cardstock with some white embossing powder. Now it's time to do the assembly. I'm taking the pink striped paper from the Spring Breeze paper pad. I'm adhering my assembled panel over top using a combination of foam tape as well as liquid glue. As you can see, I added some color to my birch trees using Copic markers. And now it's time to add our sweet images. I'm adding my fussy cut sentiment at the bottom using some foam tape. To make my card even more festive, I decided to add some balloons. These are from the Popping By stamp set from Heffy Doodle. I stamped a bunch of the small leaves from the stamp set. I really think they tie together the scene nicely. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up if you liked this video. Wishing you happy crafting and see you next time. Bye!